friends, welcome to Miss Suman's SG classes. Today's video is a very special video because it has been requested by some of my viewers. Since in last two videos we have talked about the middle sound of A and O. So in this video we're gonna focus on both the words. It's a mixed kind of video that will have lots of words of middle sound of A and O. Here we will also work on one more thing, that first we will try and join the sounds and say it. And the second time we will try to use our inner voice to join the sound, and when we say the word we're going to try and say it completely. Let's get started. So you can see the first word here is cat. 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 Let's try with the inner voice and see. Cat. Bat. Bat. Try and use your inner voice again. Bat. Mat. 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 Rat. 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 Pan. 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 Ran. Ran. Man. Man. Van. Van. Bag. 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 Rag. 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 Sag. 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 Tag. Tag. Very good job, my friends. I am so proud of you. Let's get started with the middle sound of O. Let's work on this together. Caught. 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 Bought. 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 Not. 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 Rot. 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 Cop. 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 Top. 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 Hop. 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 Pop. 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 Bob. 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 Rob. 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 Sob. 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 Tob. 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 Very good job. Here this is a very important slide. If you see down the column, we are doing a family. This is the add family. This is an family, op family, app family. But along this column, we are doing the first letter, the sound of first letter. These are three letters that I've come across that kids feel problem with. The sound of M, that is mm. The sound of B, that is b. And the sound of C, that is k. Mad. Mad. Man. Mop. Mop. Map. Map. Bad. Bad. Ban. Bop. Bop. Bap. Bap. Cat. Cad. Cat. Can. Cob. Cob. Cap. Cap. Now I will pick up words randomly and try and use my inner voice to join the sounds. Man. Bap. Cad. Mop. Mad. Cob. map, bad, bop, cap, can, ban. Good job, friends. Very good job. Look at your mom and dad. They are smiling because you guys are doing an amazing job. I will see you soon in next video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye.